a step-by-step guide to add link to Snapchat profile. If you've come to this page, you may have already attempted to add a link to your Snapchat public profile but were unable to. Don't worry, today you'll learn how to add a link to your Snapchat profile or snaps. Previously, the site allowed public or creator accounts to post links to Snapchat profiles, but it appears like Snapchat has eliminated the possibility. However, the users may still include non-clickable links on their profile, along with clickable links in their snaps or stories. Share a link to your Snapchat public profile. As previously stated, the users cannot add clickable links to their Snapchat profile because the option is not accessible. However, this does not stop you from adding a link to your content. Here's how to include a non-clickable link in your profile. Run the Snapchat app on your Android or iOS device. Tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner, select My Public Profile, then Edit Profile. Now choose Tap to add bio and enter the URL you wish to share. As you input it, the modifications are saved instantly. After following these instructions, when someone views your profile, they will notice the non-clickable link in your bio. If they wish to check it, they may simply copy and paste it into a browser to view the text. Moreover, you may also include a request wording, such as "Please visit this site once www.gadinsider.com," to improve the likelihood that people will click on the link you've provided. How to include a link in Snapchat Stories or Snaps. However, Snapchat no longer allows clickable links in profiles. The users may still include links in their Snapchat Stories or Snaps. Here's how to do it. Run the Snapchat app and make a snap. You may either snap a picture or record a video. After that, select the paperclip icon from the right menu selections. Type the URL or copy and paste it from your clipboard. Now, click the search button on your keyboard to see a preview of the web page. In the preview window, select Attach to Snap from the bottom. Lastly, click the send button to share your photo or tale.